Alright, welcome back. So once again, we're gonna proceed to our XAMPP server. So right now we are going to access the local server that we have built using XAMPP. So in this lesson, you will learn how to use XAMPP locally. And the second one is you will learn how to access the files for the local web hosting. So what I mean here, local web hosting, is not that we are going to use domains. Right now, we are going to simulate what a server is on your local computer. Okay, so we will also learn how to start the server, access files using the browser. So these are two different things. Right now, in the number 2, we are going to access files using the normal folder explorer, and while here we are going to use the browser. Okay, and we are going to prepare the server for our WordPress installation. So let's go ahead and check and see our where's my folder here. So first, I'm gonna open this PC so that you will be able to follow me to what I'm going to do. And just like what I have said in the last lesson, so we have to open the documents. Right now, I have installed the XAMPP in the documents, as you can remember here, XAMPP 2. So I'm gonna open that, and you will see that there are folders, and right now you will also see the XAMPP control exe. Okay, so I'm gonna click the XAMPP control exe so that we can open the server, but I think the server is already opened. So I have now 2 servers, so I'm gonna close the other one. Okay, so right, it is now open. Okay, so before I will start the services, I'm gonna show you first the other tabs or other buttons in this UI. UI means user interface, the user interface. Okay, so I'm gonna click the Explorer, where you will see the same location where the XAMPP is installed. So I'm gonna close that one, and again I'm gonna click it again, and you will see it will open up the folder where the XAMPP files are located. Okay, so it's important to understand where are we going to put the files so that we can deploy it online. And for the sake of simulation, I want you to remember this particular folder, because in here we'll be able to create different design using WordPress. Okay, so as you can see, we have here the dashboard, the image, and then the webalizer, the XAMPP, and then other files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click this start right now, and let's see if this will run smoothly. Okay, another is the MySQL. So right now I was not able to face any issue regarding the MySQL. So what I'm going to do next is open the browser. Okay, and I want you to type this localhost. Sorry, it should be in small case. So right here, as you can see, I have already visited the site already, and you will see the dashboard, but I'm gonna type it away anyway, so that you will be able to do the same if just in case you don't have visited the page yet. All right, so I've just typed the localhost /dashboard/index.html. Okay, so this is the default page for our XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, and PHP Perl server. Okay, and right above you will see the Apache Friends, FAQ, how to guides, PHP info, phpMyAdmin. If you like to know more about these things, you might be able to see everything you need in regards to XAMPP by reading all the text or information written here. Okay, and if you like to see the information about the PHP, so you will be able to open up that particular tab, PHP info, and this tab will open. All right, so as you can see, we have the 8.0.30. Okay, so other information is included in this list. So, and if you want to access your database locally, you can click this phpMyAdmin, and it will open up for you the phpMyAdmin database. Okay, so right here you will be able to view your database, and as for now we don't have any database yet, and later on a database will be generated when we install WordPress. Okay, so going back to our dashboard, this is the dashboard. We're going to access particular folder where we are going to install the WordPress. So right here, since we have opened the htdocs, XAMPP2, going back, and then htdocs, we are going to create a new folder. Okay, so I'm gonna put the name public.html. Okay, so whenever you use a web hosting services like the Bluehost, SiteGround, Hostinger, and other web hosting provider, you will have the cPanel. Okay, so cPanel is the common panel that has been used in many from different platforms, and you will be able to see the file manager, and you will notice that in the file manager, especially when you open your WordPress installation folder, you will notice this folder in the file manager, the public HTML. Okay, so in here we're going to install our WordPress. Okay, so there's nothing yet, and what we are going to do is we will later download the WordPress installation and put it here. Okay, so right now I am showing to you how we are be able to access files using the htdocs folder. Okay, some web hosting like NameHero, they use cPanel, and you can click the file manager there and you will be able to see folders, and you will notice the public HTML. Okay, all right, so I'm going to teach you how to open some files using our browser. So going back to our browser, you will notice that we have here the dashboard. All right, so I'm gonna delete first the index HTML. Let's see what will happen. I'm gonna enter, and you will notice that it automatically revert back to our XAMPP dashboard, okay, or the index HTML. And if you will see to our htdocs, you will also notice there is the index PHP. Okay, so right now I'm gonna delete the dashboard. Only the local host will remain. So as you can see, it reverts back to the same dashboard. This is because the index PHP right here is activated. So I cannot open this file for you because this will become more complicated. So I will just open some. Let's see. Okay, so there are no other PHP file except this index PHP. Okay, so maybe what we are going to do is I'm gonna create the file here and choose the text document, and I'm gonna put some words or letters like index. Then I'm gonna change this to maybe txt. Maybe that's the right thing to do, and put some hello world here. Okay, hello world, and save this. Okay, so when we open that, and we will see the hello world. Okay, so right now, to access that using our htdocs is, or using our browser rather, gonna close this one. I'm gonna put here the public HTML. Okay, so you will see that I am able to open the folder using the browser, and you will see the index.txt over there. I'm gonna click it, and you will see the hello world. It means to say that our XAMPP control panel or the XAMPP server is working, and it has the ability to open files using the browser. So it is the browser now that is accessing the file, and by just typing the browser here, we may be able to run whatever it is in it, whatever files in it. Okay, all right. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to download WordPress and install it to this particular folder. Okay, so I want you to be familiarized with the files, because some of these files you will see in your web hosting services such as SiteGround, Namecheap, Bluehost, whatever web hosting you are using or going to use. You may be able to see similar folders like this, and through that, and through the public underscore HTML, we may be able to install WordPress. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and finish this lesson and proceed to the next. Goodbye.